What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you something that is pretty great inside of Drip, and I'm recording this video because I actually need a reminder of exactly how to do this pretty regularly. So you see right here, this is my agency, the Blocks Agency, and I've got a whole bunch of different courses and resources and tutorials, and you see it's blocked off here, right? Like you need to log in order to access some of this stuff. This is our membership site. It's free to sign up for, and if they go to sign in, they can sign in. But what if you don't have an account? You go to sign up, and here is where all of the information gets entered in if you're going to sign up for a free account. Well, inside of Drip, what I want to have happen is anytime somebody signs up for a free account, they're going to get applied the tag Registered Membership Marketing Toolkit. But one thing I want to know is, when did they register? And one of the big limitations of Drip is that when you create a custom event, you're not able to go back and search those custom events based upon date. If you use Drip and you try to pull up custom events, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So how can you go about saying, when did somebody register to be a member of the Marketing Toolkit? Or when did somebody sign up for a particular lead magnet? Whatever the case might be, what you can do is you can say anytime a particular tag is triggered or anytime a specific event happens, go ahead and create a custom field value. In this case, I'm going to name that custom field value Joined Marketing Toolkit. And this little snippet of code right here, this is liquid tagging language. I don't know what the official thing is. It's the liquid language. Those little brackets, two on either side with now in the middle. What's going to happen is anytime somebody gets tagged with Registered Membership Marketing Toolkit, a new custom field is going to be added to their profile, and it's going to create a timestamp that is, I think it's called the Epoch timestamp. So let's do a really quick Google search here. Epoch time code. It's going to create a time code that looks just like this. So if somebody were to sign up right now, that would be the code, 6364. So how does the Epoch time actually work? Well, let's say that I wanted to find out everybody who signed up for the toolkit during 2021, okay? I just created, I don't even know if this is going to pull someone up, but I'll show you how I would do it. So using the Epoch converter, we would go to January. So we got year 2021. The month is January. The day is the 1st. The hour is 12 o'clock a.m. And then we'll do local time, human date to timestamp. So in Epoch time, 1609484400 represents January 1st at midnight. So we're going to go in here and we'll go to people and we will select choose a filter. We're going to call it custom fields and then choose the custom field. We're going to say Joined Marketing Toolkit is greater than 16094844400, and then you could say and person's custom fields Joined Marketing Toolkit is less than, and then we'll go back here and we'll say January 31. Actually, we'll do February 1 at 12 a.m. And then we'll say that's the date right there. So this represents January 1. This represents February 1. So everybody who's in between these two, refresh. And it'll show me down here. Now there's nobody who matches this criteria, but hopefully that makes sense that whenever they go in, we'll take a look at our automation again. Marketing Toolkit registration. Anytime somebody is tagged with Registered Membership Marketing Toolkit, they are now given a timestamp right here that represents the date and time they signed up. And then if I ever want to find out who signed up in between, I just go and I create the timestamp based upon my human date, and I run a filter inside of people, again, that says choose a filter, custom fields. Custom field is Join Marketing Toolkit, and is greater than, and I put my value, and then do the same thing, is less than. So that allows you to run a report based upon the Epoch timestamp. You can do this particular code anywhere that you want inside of Drip. You can just add the now, and it will record anything inside of a custom event. It'll record inside of a custom field. You can use it in workflows. So right here, you can use it in workflows. You can use this inside of your language, inside of your text, and you can put the timestamp now. There's lots that you can do with Liquid, but if you're wanting to record a date and time, this is the way to do it. If you have any other questions about Drip, or if you have any questions about how to get your marketing automation going, please just leave a comment in the comment section and I'll be happy to help you out. Or you can go to daveshrine.com. Thanks so much. Be sure to subscribe. Bye.